Life begins after a coffee, but what if you can personalize sleeves for your coffee cup? Let's make it! But before you watch the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Make your design and select your media. Print it with OKI PRO 9542. Here, we have used two different media. OKI PRO 9542 delivers high-quality CMYK plus high-density white under single-pass printing. It will save toner by minimizing the artwork and gives you high-quality prints. The registration marks printed on four corners will ensure precise cutting, creasing, and finishing of your media in FCX4000 digital flatbed cutter. It has a speed up to 750mm and causes no damage to your printed graphic. You can make unlimited personalized sleeves of different sizes and different media at the same time. Here is your result, your perfect digital die-cut solution. Enjoy your coffee! Enjoy your day with personalized coffee sleeves! To know more about full digital label printing and packaging solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.